We use the elimination method. CJ?
When the letters are, wait, what's the correct word?
Variables?
No, when the coefficients are lined up with the numbers.
Coefficients are numbers.
When they're lined up with the variables.
Yes, and we need to look for a matching coefficient, right? That's what we did yesterday. So we worked out this problem right here. And did we eliminate x or y first?
X.
Why did we eliminate x?
Because they had the same coefficient.
Now, why did we add?
Because when you have a positive and a negative, we add.
Because opposite signs we add, and this is only on elimination, right? Opposite signs we add. And then we added straight down, and we got y equals -9. Now, what did we do with that y once we found it? We plugged it in for y, and then we found
The x equals 6.
x. And then we wrote it as a coordinate. Is it important that we write it as a coordinate?
Yes.
Yes, every single time. Now, let's look at our homework. Did we eliminate? Who can raise their hand and one person tell me without screaming at me? It's going to be a challenge. Did we eliminate x or y? Jordan. Why? Why did we eliminate y? Because they're lined up and they have the same coefficient, the same number. Good, take a point. Now, did we add or subtract, y'all? You added. Why do we add?
Because it's different signs.
Yep. All right, what's 4x plus 3x?
7x.
7x. Awesome. And what's 6y plus -6y? Cancels. It eliminates. And what's 32 plus 3?
35.
Does everybody see how we got that?
Yes.
If you did not do your homework, what should you be doing?
Writing on your paper.
Yes, we should be checking it.
So x equals 5 for that one, right?
How do you know that?
Because 5 times 7 is 35.
So you would divide to get it, correct? And x equals 5. Good, take a point. So now that we have 5, we have x. What do we need to find?
Plug it in the Y.
Yes, awesome. Now, does it matter whether we plug it into the top or the bottom?
No.
No, we're going to get the same thing.
Yeah.
So I'm going to breathe. We're going to write 4 times what? What's x?
5.
5.
Then you're going to close the parentheses.
And I'm going to write
Plus 6y.
plus 6y equals.
32.
Why did you not do your homework last night if you know how to do this?
Because did you send it by the reminder?
I did, and I put it on Google Classroom. I sent it 2 ways.
Really?
I
didn't get it. See?
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
But I sent it on Google Classroom and on her mind after.
That's right.
Right. Okay, so from here, we need to do 4 times 5, which is?
20.
And then what do I do?
You subtraction on both sides.
Look at you go, Kimberly. Take a point. And we get 6y equals? Take a point. And now what do we do?
Divided by 6.
And what does that equal?
2.
Now, how do I write my answer? Can I leave it like this?
No. That's really important.
And what comes first, x or y?
X.
So I write it as
5 and 2.
5, 2. Take a point. So if we did not get this correct, what should we be doing right now?
Writing it down.
Writing it down. If we did not do our homework, what should we be doing?
Writing it down.
And if we did get it right, what should we be doing?
Check.
Check yourself.
Checking it.
Giving ourselves a high five?
Yeah.
Did anybody get this correct?
Nope.
One person, put your hand down, child. This? Okay. Make sure you do that every time. Otherwise, put a box around your answer if you forget. But that way, so we don't have to search, we have that. All right. Are we ready for number B?
Yeah.
Number B.
Now, are we gonna? Yes. Are we going to add or are we going to subtract?
We're going to subtract.
Why are we going to add?
Different signs.
Are we going to eliminate x or y?
X.
Awesome. We're going to add. So negative 4x plus 4x cancels. 3y plus negative 5y is
Negative 2y.
negative 2y. Good. And negative 3 plus 5 is?
Negative 2.
So what does y equal?
1, negative,
Negative 4.
1, positive. Yeah, positive.
I'm positive.
Sorry, are you not entertained?
No, I'm tired.
So negative 2 divided by negative 2 is positive 1. Why is it a positive?
Because the negative and negative.
A negative divided by a negative is a positive. Positivo. Alright, now that we have y, what do we do?
You plug it
You
in.
plug it in the y.
Yeah.
Alright, now Kimberly and Alicia are going to be quiet. And someone else is going to tell me how to write this problem. Bronson? Equals. I can't hear you.
Negative 3.
Thank you. Take a point. Now, what's 3 times 1?
3.
And now what do I do?
Negative 6. 5.
Do you get positive 2?
No.
Or do you get positive 3 halves? Because it's negative 6 divided by negative 4, right?
Yeah.
Does 4 go into 6 evenly?
Yeah. No.
You get a positive 1 point.
But what goes into both 6 and 4?
2,
2. 6 divided by 2 is?
3,
4 divided by 2 is?
2.
Dun, 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 dun. Does everybody see how we did that? Yes, no, maybe.
See, a big comes out like that, but you want fractions or like
I don't care.
decimals.
I'm okay with either. I really like fractions, but I'm okay with either. Now, am I done?
No.
No, you have to write
You need to
negative.
put
In the parentheses, right? So 3 halves, comma 1. Did anybody get that one right? Hey, one person. That's so exciting. Makes me so proud.
Me too.
Put your hand down. Unless you have a question. Now, did anybody get part of it correct and then they got they saw the fraction and got confused? Put your hand down. Yeah? And it made you doubt your answer? Don't doubt your answer.
I got negative 1 instead of positive 1.
Right here? Do you see why it's negative? I mean, why it's positive, rather? Because it's 3 plus negative 5, and that gives you negative 2. And negative 3 plus 5. I made a mistake.
What?
Right here. Man, oh man. That should be negative. Jackson, why didn't you tell me?
I forgot that so negative 3.
So this should be minus 3 right here, y'all. And then you would add 3 to both sides, and that would give us 0. So x equals 0. Ay, ay, ay.
Oh man, we reviewed this last year.
What
All year.
What else did? And then, how do you mess up? You taught us this.
Because everybody makes mistakes. Y'all are proof that all y'all make some mistakes. Did anybody get 0, 1? Put your hand down.
Now, there you go, Jackson.
Look at you go. Take a point, Jackson.
The argument that we don't know because this point didn't make it.
But you should. Whoever is making that noise. Many. Stop. Okay, so I want us to practice one more. Una más. Without me. Like this. And then we're going to add a step. Y'all ready? So we're going to call this C, as in potato. I cracked myself up. Because I'm funny. I am.
Why not?
Your face is funny.
I don't know.
Cheese tater tots. Man, I'm hungry.
I'm into. I want some
Oh, that sounds delicious.
tacos.
Tacos sound delicious.
Yes.
I had tacos Sunday.
Really?
Yes.
Hey, aren't you
What?
Have you tried pupusas? They're Salvador.
Make sure it doesn't have meat.
No.
Hacen las de queso con frijol.
Beans, rice,
Yeah.
veggies.
Ay, 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 más.
All right, so I want you to work on this one without me, and let's stop talking about food because I'm starving.
That's the reason we're talking about it.
I know.
Nice.
Okay, so we stopped at 10:45 and it's now at 20:50. So that's 10 minutes to do that problem?
2050 as well.
Come on, y'all. All right. So remember, you look for matching coefficients, opposite signs, we add straight down. 9x plus 3x gives us 12x. 78 plus negative 30 gives us 48. We divide by 12 and we get 4.
Uh-huh.
Everybody needs to be following along on the board and not packing up. And not packing up. At Troy. Now, we take this and we plug it in right here, correct?
Did you plug that into 3?
You could have. Do you want me to do it that way?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to change my tactic and plug it in right here. So that's 3, not while I'm teaching, times 4 minus 6y equals, yeah, negativo. All right, 3 times 4 is 12.
Uh-huh.
Then we subtract 12, right? So negative 6y equals negative 42. Divide by negative 6, so y equals 7. So your answer is 4, 7.
Oh yeah, I got that. I did it right.
Look at you, I'm so proud of you.
I didn't divide by -6, but I still got 7.
You do divide by -6. That's what
If you did it on the other side, you would divide by positive 6.
Oh, that's what.
Yes, so we did it a different way. If at least 2 people at your table got it right, give your team a point.
Either way, you get it right.
Homework, tarea, dos tarea.
Y'all get it right? Y'all get it right?
We did like -6. We did
All right, so today is the 29th.
Next time.
Here's your homework. Let's go. Let's copy this down.
Word.
I am going to send it to Remind.
Okay.
So if you have not signed up for Remind, are you going to get your homework?
Yeah, you can write it down.
Yes. Yes. I'll do it both ways.
Y'all witnessed a miracle.
I know. I'm telling
24,
you.
29.
4.
Can I nominate him for one of them Warrior Excellence, whatever awards?
Yes, we need to. 24. Where? Right here?
Yeah.
24. 24.
Why your phone? Why your nine look like phone?
It's not a foe. It's not an enemy. It's a 4.